Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Squarespace admin, manage website and domains step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in squarespace.com in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Squarespace homepage. Once on the homepage, look for the login button located in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter the email address associated with your Squarespace account. Next, input your password in the designated field. Click on the login button to proceed. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, check your authentication device for the code. Enter the code in the provided field to complete the login process. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Squarespace admin dashboard. Here, you can manage your website by selecting the site you wish to work on. To access your domains, navigate to the Settings option in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Domains to view all domains associated with your Squarespace account. From the dashboard, you can also update content, manage products, and check analytics. Explore the various options to customize and enhance your website effectively. If you need to log out, simply click on your account name in the upper right corner and select Logout. You are now ready to manage your website and domains with Squarespace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.